We are about to go for a little trip today. See you there. Isabel is the driver for today.
Crossing. Another crossing. Another crossing.
Isabel is collecting some wood to make the fire. She's trying to cross the river. Hopefully she's not gonna fall. They're burning so fast. Putting the Wurster on the fire, on the stick. Hey. Now record that.
Ooh.
Wurster fight.
And we are leaving.
Your egg.
We are finding green stones. Today is the day I brought my shoes. I had them since I was 12 years old. It's okay. It was worth it. It was a nice day. We are full up and we are going back home. So if you like this video, put a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, thumbs down. Subscribe. Hit the bell. See you in the next one.